You see it?
I can see that, but it's actually better if you take the light off. Now, we had to come in. Steve, what are you doing today?
I was trying to replace the floor in this cabinet here, the shelving, because it had got waterlogged, and as I was trying to put a piece on top of what was already here, I was trying to move this out of the way so I could get the thing down, and it just snapped the water line right at a coupling joint. So the entire house is run with this CPVC. It's really brittle.
Okay, so what are we going to do? I know we're going to get some PEX in here on both lines.
I got to cut this stuff here out so I can get to the line so I can patch in the PEX and run it through the floor.
Now this is when you see mobile homes and people try to do a quick fix without doing it right. This is that liquid expanding foam that dries like this. So there's been a hole and an issue going on in this bathroom for quite a while, and it started up there with the faucet that we had to replace the drain right there. So we see all of this foam crap. That's not necessary. So we have to dig through it now to get to the pipes so that we can install from underneath to the sink some PEX and be done with it. So, you know, when they built these homes, see those two rolls right there? I guess it's leftover linoleum flooring that they just left in here.
That's what it looks like.
Yep. You never know how they throw these houses together until you start to do something like this where you see an issue. And then you go to fix something and you're really surprised at what you find sometimes. So, because of this, it's taking us much longer than what it should to fix something so simple. But we have to get to that line because that goes underneath the house. And yeah, those are a couple of rolls of linoleum flooring just thrown in here. So, once we get this cleaned up, we'll show you how we did the PEX and how we're putting this back together so there won't be an issue. And as always, we want to make sure it's done.